Hey, what's up guys? It's Foster. We're actually at my house today. I'm gonna be working on the WRX from my driveway, and I've got a little bit of prep to do because I decided to take the car rallying this weekend. I'm really excited about it. I did one of these events last year and I had a total blast, so I think it's gonna be a good time for sure. But before we take the WRX out to this Rallycross event, I do have a little bit of prep to do. I've got to take that front lip off so I don't break it, and I want to change my oil, so why don't I go ahead and get the car on some jack stands and we can get started. This poor WRX has been sitting in my driveway so long, the battery's actually dead, so before I even start the car, I've got a project to do. But luckily, I've actually got a cool little jump start pack that should help us out in the situation, and it's got like a flashlight and jumper cables, so hopefully it's got enough charge that we can get the WRX up and going. All right, the dash is lined up, so that's a good sign. Let's see if it starts. Just one of those nights where you gotta take a minute to appreciate the sunset. It's absolutely beautiful out. But anyway, I did get the WRX jacked up, not without a bit of a struggle because I'm spoiled and I'm used to working on lifts at my shop. But we did get it on some jack stands. So now we can go ahead and begin the project of taking off this carbon fiber front lip. Shouldn't be too complicated. I just use self-tappers to install it, but if I don't take this off, I can guarantee you I'm gonna break it at Rallycross. So I might as well just go ahead and get it off now. Good morning guys, we're here at the Rallycross course, which is in Cedar Falls, Iowa. So it's about a 2-hour drive away from Des Moines. I had to wake up at like 5 in the morning, but I don't even care at this point because it snowed last night, as you can tell. There's a ton of cool Subarus in the pits, so we're gonna go walk the pits and see all the different cars that are here. And then we're gonna go walk the course so I don't get lost. All right, the moment of truth. We're going out for our first run of the day. I'm very excited. The one thing that I'm a little unsure about is the fact that my WRX is lowered. I've got coilovers on there, so I'm not sure how that's gonna do with these deep berms in this really thick snow, but I guess we'll find out. All right, so we're back from our first session, and oh my God, that track is so much fun. It's actually pretty long too. The lap times were over a minute, so you do get a lot of seat time. I pretty much drove it like a go-kart because I used my left foot to brake and then my right foot on throttle, and that seemed to be the best way to do it. So we just had lunch, and now we're actually gonna be switching to a new Rallycross course because the old one got really tore up. It's pretty much dirt at this point in time. So we're gonna switch to a new course since it's a pretty big facility here, and it should be some fresh snow, so that should be really fun. And yeah, I don't even know what a good time is on that course, but I'm just gonna go out there and have fun. Go! quick damage report on the WRX after I've got done with all my Rallycross runs. As you can see, I think I took a little bit of the field with me. There's some grass stuck by the exhaust, so I'll probably have to get that out before I drive home. Obviously, the wheels have got a bunch of snow stuck in them as well, and I'm gonna have to take this thing to a car wash, otherwise I'm pretty sure the wheels are gonna be imbalanced. And then moving to the front, everything looks okay, but I did notice that the bumper started to pop loose, so I'll have to get that secured again. And the fog light's got a ton of snow behind it, and the whole front bumper is packed full of snow. You can tell I was definitely jumping this thing off some bumps, but all said and done, my lowered WRX did really well at Rallycross. If you guys have never done a Rallycross event, I'd highly recommend it. It's pretty much the most fun you can have in the winter when all the tracks are closed. So look into your local SCCA and see if you can get signed up for a Rallycross event if you're interested at all. With that said, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.